Okay, kita cuba buat soalan ni soalan ni sama macam dalam tutorial. So we'll try to do this. Okay, so we have a 35 kg block is connected to a spring through a smooth pulley. The spring constant is, okay, Miss akan tulis lah. K sama dengan 350 Nm negatif 1. Okay, initially the block is stationary. Okay, dia kasihlah U sama dengan kosong awal-awal. Okay, and then the spring is unstretched. Okay, if the block is released, so block ni pun jatuh ke bawah kan. And then spring ni akan stretch lah. Okay, calculate the speed of the block when the spring is stretched 0.5. So we have this initial condition over here. So what happened? The block will akan turun bawah. And then spring tu akan stretch sebanyak 0.5. And then dia nak velocity berapalah bila spring, velocity of the block bila spring tu kena stretch 0.5. So I have draw the before and after punya keadaan. So we have initially dekat sini kan, we have in a stationary block, so V equals to 0 lah. And then we have an unstretched spring yang tak kena unstretched lagi. Okay, so Miss nak padam semua ni so that we can get a clearer view. Okay, and then what happened after that, spring ni block ni pun turunlah bawah. So daripada sini dia turun bawah lah. Okay, spring ni pula daripada tak kena stretch sebanyak 0.5. So awal-awal size dia macam ni kan, lepas tu dia kena stretch 0.5. So what happens simultaneously, block ni mula-mula dekat sini. Okay, sorry, block ni mula-mula kat sini and then dia pun turun sebanyak 0.5 lah. Okay, so nak cakapnya kat sini, spring ni stretch ke atas 0.5, block ni turun ke bawah sebanyak 0.5. Okay, right, so katalah this one Miss tambah lukis dia. Okay, nak cakap dia naik 0.5, blok ni pula turun sebanyak 0.5 meter. Okay, okay, and then apa yang kita kena identify? Okay, sama juga kalau minta speed ni kan, kamu nampak ada spring, ada speed, ada perubahan kedudukan, so mesti melibatkan conservation of energy. Okay, energy initial sama dengan energy final, right? And then what happen? Kita identify lah energy apa yang wujud. 3 je kan yang dalam silibus kita. Kita tengok ada spring, so maksudnya ada spring lah, ada apa, gravitational what is it called, potential, what is it called, I forgot already. Let's say potential energy. And then kita ada perubahan velocity, so mesti ada kinetic energy. And then dia ada perubahan kedudukan, so mesti ada gravitational potential energy. Okay, right, so let's say this is point A, this is point B lah. Okay, and then kita identify. Okay, so this one velocity sama kosong, so mesti kinetic energy sama kosong. Okay, and then this one spring ni unstretched, so mesti tak ada value of elastic potential energy lah. But however we do have the value of U, right? Okay, so mesti pula taklah U kat sini. Okay, this one kita ada K sebab kita dikehendaki untuk cari velocity, so ni adalah. And then spring ni kena stretch, so mesti ada nilai US kan, sebab formula US adalah 1/2 kx square. So ada X, ada extension, so mesti ada nilai US. And then obviously ada ketinggian daripada ground, this is our ground, so ada U juga. Okay, so kamu pun letaklah kat sini, U sama dengan US plus K plus U. And then we want to find the value of V over here lah. Okay, and then Miss tahu I don't know the value of height over here. I have no idea this whole thing. So Miss pun letak je lah. This is MGH, right? So M is 35, 9.81, and then this is H lah, which I don't know. Okay, and then US sama dengan 1/2. Formula US adalah, adalah 1/2 kx square. So I'm going to put 1/2. K is 350, and then spring is stretched for 0.5, so this is 0.5 square plus K is half mv square, so 1/2 35, which is the value of velocity yang kita nak cari lah. And then this one is MGH, so should be 9.81. Mass is 35. However, I don't know the value of H over here, right? I have no idea the value of H over here. But I do know that the block, tadi kan spring ni naik stretch ke atas sebanyak 0.5, maka simultaneously blok ni akan turun ke bawah sebanyak 0.5. Jadi height dia tadi tu turun ke bawah sebanyak 0.5, so mesti height dia tu akan jadi tolak 0.5 lah. So H tolak 0.5 sebab dah turun sebanyak 0.5. Sebab yang belah sini dia naik 0.5 kan. Ini turun 0.5. So H tolak 0.5 So this one H minus 0.5. Okay. And then this is all maths. Try to solve it and then your answer should be 2.7.